Hey everyone, it's Nomad Flair here and welcome back to the channel. So predominantly I am a laptop user with my own desk setup, which of course I absolutely love. However, after an hour or so on the laptop, I start experiencing pain in my neck and my wrist due to having them rounded for a long period of time. As a result of this, I started looking for an accessory online that could help alleviate the discomfort. After no success, I just gave up, and 3 months later a company reached out to me called PunCube that surprisingly asked me to review their portable laptop desk after watching several MacBook accessory videos that I've posted on the channel. Without any thought, I immediately said yes, with the hope that this will satisfy my requisites. My requisites include excellent build quality, lightweight, not occupying too much space, and of course reduced discomfort. The portable laptop desk is compatible with pretty much all laptops and iPads ranging from 10 to 16 inches. Okay guys, let's start off with the unboxing. The portable laptop desk comes in this packaging, 3-in-1 clearly stated at the front. We will find out shortly what this means. At the back is a list of features and specs which we'll explore together. Upon opening, we are greeted with the user manual, which I highly recommend reading. At the front, it illustrates what the 3-in-1 stands for, the expandable mousepad, clipboard use, and adjustable stand. On the reverse is a step-by-step guide on how to adjust a laptop stand. Again, I highly recommend reading this. Here we have the portable desk accompanied with 4 corner stickers to protect the edges of your laptop. Starting off with this side, at the bottom is the PunCube logo, and at the top is a flap which has multiple uses. The portable desk is A4 size and only 0.6mm in thickness. The build quality is robust and sturdy, crafted with high quality vegan leather and aerospace high strength fiberboard. I must admit, it does feel premium in the hands. The portable laptop desk comes in 4 different colorways. The first is midnight blue, cool grey, which I have, blonde browns, and graphite black. An excellent addition to the portable desk is the expandable pads, which is pulled out from the side using the flap. This negates the need for a mouse pad if you are a typical mouse user. The mouse moves perfectly without any issues. I own 2 different mouses. One is the Logitech MX Master 3S and the second is the Razer Viper Ultimate, accompanied with a 2000 dpi sensor, which works perfectly on this mousepad. The expandable pad can also be used to lean on when writing on a piece of paper. When not in use, just push it back in. And lastly, the pad can also be used as a notepad, which is very useful for university students when taking notes in lectures or even those in the corporate world. The great thing is that the laptop desk does cater for every individual, as it includes 2 different versions, normal and left-handed. If you are left-handed, then you can opt for that, as the mouse pad will be on the left-hand side, and if you are right-handed, then you'll go for the normal. The next feature I would like to look at is the adjustable stand itself. There are 2 different ways I tend to use the stand. So I've been using the accessory for the past 3 weeks on my MacBook Pro 14-inch, and it actually aligns perfectly when on the stand. This small flap prevents your laptop or iPad from sliding off the accessory, which ensures stability and safety. However, before placing your laptop on the portable desk, I highly recommend attaching the padded stickers to prevent any blemishes on your laptop. The stand has a rectangular gap that provides a ventilation channel to ensure rapid heat dissipation and to maintain optimal performance. This gives you a stable surface whilst also keeping your knees and your groin area cool when using the laptop on your lap. Once done, just put the flaps in place and securely place your laptop on top. My only minor gripe I've had with this stand is that if you don't securely put the flaps in place, it can cause your laptop to drop, which is annoying. This happened to me twice on the first day of use. After that, I pretty much got used to it and I had no issues going forward. As mentioned, the laptop desk is very sturdy and durable. As you can see, when closed, it can hold weight of around 90 pounds and the mouse pad can hold a weight of around 10 pounds. And when fully open, it can hold weight of around 35 pounds. I have used this portable desk for 3 weeks whilst editing my videos, browsing the net, and also whilst watching YouTube, and I pretty much can't live without it. A well-noted perk is the significant reduction in wrist pain, as my wrists sit in a more natural position when typing. This is because the keyboard tilts 15 degrees for an ergonomic typing posture. The adjustable laptop stand also reduces neck strain, as the laptop is closer to eye level, which in turn has allowed me to work for longer hours with minimal discomfort. When you finish, just remove the laptop and put it to the side and place the flaps flat on the portable desk. The portable laptop desk does come in just under $70 at the moment. If you do use my discount code down below, then you'll get a further discount. In conclusion, the portable laptop desk offers a solution to the discomfort of working, gaming, or watching entertainment in cramped and unconventional spaces. Weighing just 1.3 pounds and boasting a compact A4 size, this desk ensures convenience without sacrificing valuable luggage space. Whether you're on a train, plane, or simply at home, its versatility guarantees elevated productivity and comfort wherever you go. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to convenience with the portable laptop desk. Okay guys, I hope you found today's video to be useful. If you are planning to pick it up, I've left the discount code in the description. I would appreciate if you can leave a like on the video and subscribe for more gaming and tech related videos. Also guys, if you did enjoy the background music used in today's video, that's from audio.com. Audio.com has an extensive library of different music that you can use in your videos, whether it's on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Just hit the link down below if you are interested and enter my coupon code SAVE70 and that will give you 70% off your first year of Audio Pro. And until next time everyone, take care.